Can anyone of you tell me how to write an if loop? How to write the if loop? If all brackets and all double brackets. Okay, this is the if condition. This is the while for loop. For you will use like this.
Your voice is very low, Imran.
Mhm. Now is also low, very low.
Yeah,
Okay,
now
It's
it's
better.
good,
yeah, let me get the
better.
just give me a minute. Yeah. So let us try to start with the JSON declaration. So I will tell you, uh, I will write some of the syntaxes. Please let me know what is the mistake over there. Okay. Why? Because no one joined. It is not correct to. Not anymore. So basically, there is a mistake here. So I have written some mistake. What would be the mistake now?
Else if.
Huh?
Else if.
Where?
Second one. Else if.
Which line?
Alert and else if block.
Line. Here
Number
we
equal
have
to
lines
20.
now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
25.
9.
25.
25. What I need to write here?
If.
Like this, huh?
No space. Yes.
So in this way, we will be writing the answer. So always try to remember one small thing, man. So basically, on the day we have already discussed about the else loop for till for we have been written, right? Till till where we have been created, no? Where we have been written. Okay, we will be discussing today this one. If only if okay. Let us try to go with the array. So always try to remember array. Okay, always try to remember. We know all these things. If you see the code, if you see the code which is having the format of which is having the format of this one, this particular brackets. This particular square brackets is there, right? Square brackets. As you can see here, where array equal to this one. So basically, this is known as an array. What it is known as? Can anyone of you repeat with me, please? This particular notations, this
Array.
type of brackets, if you see this type of brackets, then you need to decide that the code
It
is in
is an array.
array. Basically,
Okay.
array is nothing but collection of objects. I will tell you what is meant by collection of objects and all. This is known as what? These symbols?
Forward slash.
Forward slash only, but what it is
Single line
known?
comma.
Comments.
Single
Single
line
line
comma.
comments. Okay.
Single line comma.
Hmm. Collection of elements is known as an array. Do we have any elements in this?
No, zero.
No.
That is known as empty array. What it is known as?
Empty array.
Empty
array.
array.
Where ABC equal to array of what? Inside what all these known as?
Elements.
Elements or
Element.
I mean, which data type it is?
Integer.
Integer. Array of
Integer.
integers.
Integer.
Hmm. These are known as what? If you see this
String.
symbol, we will call it as what? Array. Array.
Array.
Inside the array, what we are having?
Elements.
Elements. These are known as which elements?
String.
Which data type it is?
String.
String.
That's it. Array of string. Now, if you are trying to alert of ABC, what would be the output?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Let us see. Alert of ABC. So save it. Try to run the code. Where is the parent? What are you showing, ma?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I hope you can see my screen now.
Yes.
Yes.
What it is showing?
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the what? Elements in the
Elements. Array.
array. If I want to alert vehicles, now what it will get? What we will get?
Cars, buses, lorries.
Columns.
Basically, first what to the alert? First it will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it will get cars, buses, and lorries.
Vehicles.
See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and cars, buses, and
Lorries.
lorries. Now, bro, what I need is like I don't want to this to be reflected like this. It should be like I mean actually my task is like whenever you are trying to write ABC, alert of ABC, it is showing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a single line. Yes or no? एक ही लाइन में बता रहा ना भाई अभी. अब if you are trying to reload,
Yes, yes,
1 2 3 4 5
Yes.
it is showing in a single line only. And
yes.
cars, buses, lorries also it is showing in a single line only.
Single
I don't
line.
want this to be
Yes.
reflected like this. Whenever I am trying to set it, first time it should show 1 now. Again, if I am clicking on OK, it should show 2. Again, if I am clicking on OK, it should show 3. And OK 4. OK 5. This type of output I need. That means what I need to do, I want to iterate this particular ABC, right? First time it should iterate till 1. Again, it should iterate to 2, 3, 4, 5. So how can you do it, ma? Can anyone of you have any, hint to do this one?
Loop.
Yes. Which loop you said?
For
For loop.
Correct, bro. Perfectly you said. For loop. How you said, tell me?
Because of
Because
it's repeating task, right?
repeating tasks. Very good, right? For repeating as because this is a repeating task, it should have what?
Loop.
Write a for loop now. How to write a for loop? Tell me. For Amjad, tell me, bro. Open brackets, close brackets. Variable I equal to 0. I less than.
1.
How? No, no, no. I less than what? Actually, how we will write the for loop? Tell me. For just tell me the syntax, bro. We can do this task later. For where I equal to 0.
I equal to 0.
I less than. It should run 5 times, 4 times, 6 times, 7 times.
I
5
less
times it
than
should
5.
run.
5.
It should increment or decrement. It should increment.
I plus plus.
Ante. Alert off. Alert off.
Alert of I.
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 So now, if you save here, try to reload. It's getting 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, good. Now till here it's perfectly fine. But what I need again for where
Equal.
for where I equal to
Equal to
0, I less than. So in the past, what you have given, 5 you have given. That means you have
Yes.
given statically. At a 5 times it should iterate, you are saying. Now here what you need, how many times it should iterate? This many times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But you don't know how many will be there here. So that is the reason what you will write this
ABC.
many times. ABC dot how much length? LNGTH. So basically, why we'll be using length because we in future we can also add 6. In future we can also add 7. Na? Yes or no, ma? In future we can add all these things. Na? You are getting my point, right? In future, this particular length will always be increased. No, we can't stick to only 7 objects, 7 elements. In future, we can also get 7, 8, 9, 10 like that. Na? Instead of to work this in a dynamic way, we will be using what?
Length.
Length.
dot.
कितना मतलब जितने भी elements है उतना elements length ले हो करके. This is the word is that one. Okay. Now, and then how much it should increment, right? I Plus, plus.
Plus plus.
Now write it. Alert of what? I.
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 Save it. Sorry. There is some mistake. Now what happened? Till when it will iterate, ma? Till when it will iterate?
Till 7.
Till 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 finished. That means 0. I mean always array of elements starts from what?
0.
Array of elements starts from 0. Then why 7 is not getting reflected here?
Because it's taking from
There
zero.
are only 7 elements.
Always what you need to remember? Array of elements starts from
Zero.
0.
0. मैं बोलता हूँ एक मिनट. So what is ABC of 0? Array of 0 what? Array of 0 is what?
Element.
Huh?
1.
Array of 1?
2.
Array of 2?
3.
3.
Array of 3 is?
4.
Array of 4 is?
5.
Array of 5 is?
6.
Array of 6 is?
7.
So basically, if you want to alert as well, I can alert. Alert of array is what? ABC. Of 6. What would be the output?
7.
1.
Someone
Array
confused.
of
Array
6,
of
5.
6 is what?
5, 5.
7.
7, bro.
6
Here.
is 7.
There is some mistake. So what it is showing?
7.
7.
7. This is iterating again. For loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Always what you need to remember? Array always starts from
0.
0. ये थोड़ा छोटा पॉइंट है याद रखो ठीक है always you should remember all array of 1 array of 2 array of 3 it should start from 0. Okay, now tell me with this particular words you please tell me how to iterate with this one. Write the for loop again.
Yeah.
For
Or
Where I equal to 0. I less than vehicles
good vehicles
dot. We have to take length, bro, or any
yes
other
length only.
length.
That is the standard syntax
Okay.
to iterate. Length
I
I
plus
plus plus.
and then simple and then
alert of
Alert of where I.
okay. So as you can see here, let me try to remove this. Okay, and I'm saving it. If you're trying to reload, what bro? It's getting live. For where I equal to 0, I less than vehicles dot length. Where we done the mistake?
I think alert vehicle. No?
variable define karena bro.
Okay.
Let me exit it. Save it.
The vehicle of I think so.
Huh?
Alert vehicle of I.
In the past, what we had here? Wait a minute. Just try to remove this everything. Oh, sorry. Where vehicles equal to cars, buses, and all those things. For variable I equal to 0. Oh, yes, correct. We are just iterating only these I vehicles of I, na? Vehicles of. If you try to save. As you can see here, lorries. So it is iterating now, cars, buses, lorries. You can see the screen, right?
Yes, bro.
Yeah.
Yes.
Cars, buses, lorries, and done. So always try to remember. If I want to add one more thing over here, how to add? I want to add one more thing, one more element to it. How to add the element to it?
Well,
Huh? Element को add करना समझ रहा हूँ भाई. I want to add one more element here. Comma. Yes or
Comma,
no?
and we can add in single quote.
In single quotes, you are adding this one.
And in single quotations, we can add.
As you can see here, we are having everything is getting iterated. Cars, buses, lorries, bikes. Okay, done. So I want to add one more element, but I don't want to add it from here. You are getting my point?
Yes, yes.
I
Yes,
want to add one element here. I want to add one element from this in this vehicles array, but I don't want to add it in this comma and then add it. I just wanted to add in some more way. So basically, we are having an option called one particular function called what? Method. What it is? Push. Method called what? Push. Vehicles dot
push.
push of. Let us try to take cars, buses, autos. Vehicles dot what it is?
Push.
Vehicles
Push.
dot
Push of autos. So cars, buses, lorries, bikes, and
autos.
Auto.
autos. Here the word which you need to remember is what?
Push.
Push.
Vehicles dot push.
Only these are more than enough, right? Okay. No need to bother more about it, all these things. Okay. It is very simple. The words which I say, you please remember only those things. I don't want more than expected. Okay. This is more than enough. Okay. For service now, this is more than enough. But you need to remember, as soon as you see the code in this format, what you need to remember? What you need to think like? It is in which format?
Race.
Variable.
Array. Array format.
Arrays.
Okay.
Variable. Array.
Array. Okay. Now you will, by seeing the code, you can understand, na? If the code is in this format,
It is array.
it is array. Now, there is a small thing, one more thing. It is if you see the code in this curly brackets, then you need to treat it as a JSON. What it is?
JSON.
JSON.
Matlab, why I am saying all these things is like, so basically, ServiceNow will accept which tool, ServiceNow in the backend for data, what they will use? XML they will use. XML script is different. JavaScript is different. Oracle script is different. SQL script is different. For each and every tool has their own technology. Yes or no?
Okay.
Someone they
Yes.
will use array format. Someone they will use JSON format. Someone they will use JavaScript. Someone they will use HTML. Someone they will use CSS. So all these things are different types, no? Yes or no?
Yes.
So
Yes.
Yes.
by seeing this particular code, you need to understand whether the particular thing is a JSON or array or HTML or CSS like that. Okay. Now, if you see the code in this particular curly brackets, multiple times they will use the curly brackets. Then you need to treat it as a
JSON.
JSON.
JSON. Right. So now basically we need to communicate with the other third-party tools as well. So that's the reason we will use this particular formats. Okay, that's the reason you will use this particular service. Now, you need to understand the other formats also. That's the reason I showed you. Now, how to define a JSON format? Okay, so now basically JSON will array. What is meant by array? Array is a
Combination of elements.
collection of
Collection of
elements.
elements.
collection,
Collection of
objects,
elements. ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ వేరు మళ్ళీ ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ వేరు చెప్తా మీకు జేసన్ అంటే ఏంటంటే జేసన్ ఇస్ కీ వాల్యూ పేర్స్ వాట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నోన్ యాజ్ జేసన్ ఇస్ చెప్పబ్బా కీ వాల్యూ పేర్స్ వాట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నోన్ యాజ్ జేసన్
Key
ఇస్ నోన్ యాజ్
value
వాట్
pairs.
key value pairs. Okay, I will tell you how we need to say it is a key value pairs is var person equal to. Do we have anything over here inside? Do we have anything here?
no,
No, that is known as an empty JSON. What it is known as?
integers,
In interview, they will ask, bro, these questions. Try to create one array. Try to create an elements in it. Try to add integer array of integers in it. Try to add a array of strings in it. They will ask like that. Okay, you need to definitely write it. So now tell me. So this is an empty JSON format. Okay. Now let us try to add some more data here. Var data equal to name is alpha. Age is Render is mail. There is now what it is? Array is no sorry, JSON is nothing but what? JSON is known as what?
Yes.
Key value pairs.
Key
Value.
Value pairs.
value
Value
pairs.
pairs.
So basically, why we said key value pairs? This is these two combination is known as what? Pair. This is one pair. This is one pair. This is one pair. And this is one pair. This is the key. This is the value. This is the key. This is the value. This is the key. This is the value. This is the key, and this is the value.
Value.
Now you understood why we said JSON is a key value pairs.
Yes, yes.
Someone may bro.
Yeah.
Bro,
If I'm trying to alert of data, what you will get? What I am getting? Tell me. అరే అవుట్పుట్ చదవండి అబ్బా ఏమున్నాడా
object.
Name.
Good, good. So object. What is meant by object? So basically, if you are trying to if you are trying to alert the total message, this particular alert is not understanding which one need to print. Okay, so basically, see, one small example I will tell you, right? Here we are having, let me try to log in. Go to the user table. What is the user table?
This underscore user dot
This
list.
underscore user dot list.
We open ASIF record. How many fields are there here? Multiple fields are there. Yes or no?
Yeah.
You can't calculate, right? I mean, you can calculate if you have time. But if you see here, as soon as you see in a single glance, you can't, you cannot say how many fields are there. So basically, what I was trying to write it is like, I was in an incident table. I'm incident table, and I am trying to call the ASIF. Here, this is the reference, right? If I'm calling ASIF, now it got a single value, then that's fine. So basically, I want to call all the particular data which is there in the particular page in a single column. Okay. So I want to alert this particular message, bro. So basically, single way I will tell you. See, bro. I will tell you in a shortcut. Control Shift Alt J. So basically, alert of G underscore form dot get value of user underscore ID. What is the backend name? User name. See. User
Name.
Name.
So what I'm getting?
Asif. Yes.
Name ASIF.
ASIF. As because we are having the ASIF here, we got this particular user ID ASIF here, we got it. So if I want to alert the total page, can I alert it? alert of total page ray, this name, all those things it should come in a single way. You need to mention all the fields here, right? Instead of getting all the fields, the query will not understand. That's the reason. If you are calling the total page, it will get in which format? Object. So basically, if you want to convert this particular page into XML, or if you want to convert this particular thing into JSON format, it will store the code in this format, right? User ID is Asif, first name Asif,
Key value.
last name Muhammad, title CTO, department IT. It will store like this anamata. So when you are trying to alert the data, it will totally what it will get? It will get what? Object. It will not understand which one need to give the output. Okay. Object. Now I just wanted to extract that particular object. Out of these many key value pairs, I want to get a minimum amount of data. I don't want total data to be reflected. You are getting my point, right?
Yeah.
ये सबसे ओनली मेरे को थोड़े एलिमेंट्स होना अब ये एलिमेंट मेरे को खाली आई जस्ट वांटेड टू अलर्ट ओनली दिस एलिमेंट सो व्हाट आई नीड टू डू data dot what you need name and they simple now what it have Irfan. So I want to get the age.
Yes.
Okay. So basically, I'm trying to click on save. What would be the output now? Hey, tell me if I'm trying to get the total data. What would be the output?
Object.
Object.
As because this is in which format?
JSON format.
JSON format. As because this is in JSON format, it got object. I want to convert this JSON object to string. What I am trying to do? Converting JSON object to
String.
So alert of what I am trying to do? I am converting the which one? JSON format to string. Let us see the output. Object. Now what happened?
Form is 32.
String convert అయిందా లేదా అగో బ్రో ఇక్కడ కనిపిస్తుంది చూడు ఇట్లా side. So everything has been converted to what?
String.
So what should be the how to remember this? Tell me.
JSON
dot string
if y.
Stringify. JSON dot stringify. Okay, JSON dot stringify. Don't read like stringify. Okay, just read like JSON dot stringify. Okay, ma.
Okay.
If you want to again iterate multiple times, then मतलब अभी output we are getting like this now. Name Irfan, age 32, gender male, nature good. So I want to show only once. This one is once, this one at once, this one at once, this one at once. So that is no need, but okay. If you want to tell, I will tell you, or else no need. No need, bro. No need. We will not use much, okay? No need of having those things. That's it, ma. Not more than this. So I have copied these things in your code as well. Okay, here, please try to practice this one for sure, okay? From tomorrow, we will go with the service now. Okay. Till here, these are all the minimum basics things which you need. You need not to have more things to be rut or do something. Okay. From tomorrow onwards, we can start with the service now and do it. Okay. Tomorrow also, I will take. Let us
Tomorrow
see,
is
bro.
Ugadi, bro.
Tomorrow Ugadi, huh?
Tomorrow Ugadi is there.
Yes.
Okay, then no need session. Tomorrow and day before tomorrow,
So
no need.
directly on Tuesday.
Tuesday is one. Okay, I will alert everyone to go to the sessions. Okay. Now declaring the function. Declare the functions. How to declare a function in JavaScript? Okay, how to declare a function in JavaScript? Now, no bro, why this? Chalo ma. Function my data. Okay, bro. Do one thing. Just try to alert one message. Alert of hello. I'm Yunus. Now, if you are trying to save, you are trying to reload. Hello, I'm Yunus. This is the one which you are trying to get. Okay. Now, I want to declare a function. How to declare a function is function. Function name is my data. In this way, we will be defining the function. Alert. Hello. I'm trying to save. I'm trying to remove this one, bro. Save. I have saved it. Okay, what I have done, ma? I have saved it. If I'm trying to alert, what it is showing, ma? It is showing any message?
Oh no.
I mean, it is throwing any alert message. What you have written here in the
No.
code? In the code, what you have written? Hello?
Hello,
Hello,
I'm
I am Ekta.
Ekta. You are trying to save it, but it is not running. The code is not running. So the function का मतलब ही वो है. मतलब what will this particular thing? So now, bro, I will do one thing. See. Alert of what? Alert of what?
A.
Yeah. Alert. If you are clicking on alert of A, then what you will get? This output it will run. Na? As because you have been
Yes.
defined a particular variable in A, B, C, the same thing you have been called in the
Alert of ABC.
ABC, then it will come. But you haven't defined the function and you have written the alert here. Okay, there is no variable here in this. See, listen carefully. Don't confuse. अभी यहाँ पे variable define करा. So that's the reason if I'm trying to alert this particular variable, whatever the data which you have written here, that will get reflected over here. That's particularly fine. But this is a function. Function name, and you have been written like this. Alert. Hello, I'm Ekta. This is the function name which you have written. Now, if you want to save, and if you come here, if you are reloading, I'm not getting the output. So the function speciality is like that. Whatever the function which you have been defined, you need to call outside the function and then save. This time, what happened this time?
Okay.
Matlab, why we will use this one is like, if I want to have multiple function over here, I can give multiple functions over here, and whatever the function which you want, you can call. To make the dynamic thing, you will be using this thing. Okay?
Yes.
समझ में आमा?
Yeah.
The age bhai, only this is service now. Not
Hmm.
more than this, not less than this. These 2 days are very, very important. Only these things, if you are perfect, then I will show you the taste of service now.
So all this scripting part we need to do in ServiceNow script
Yes,
section.
sections.
Oh,
In
okay.
ServiceNow, we will use all these things now.
Okay.
अभी जो भी है मैं 1 2 3 4 5 6 वह करके लगाया ना, वैसे ही वहां पे क्या आया था,
Hmm.
डेटा के साथ रहता,
Okay.
इंसिडेंट टेबल के साथ रहता, प्रॉब्लम टेबल के साथ रहता. वी हैव क्रिएटेड
Yeah.
एलजी टेबल, वी हैव क्रिएटेड ऑल दोस थिंग्स, right?
Hmm.
So
Yeah.
I will attach these particular things to ServiceNow so that you will understand very clearly.
We
Okay?
can directly copy paste the data from this notepad
Hmm?
in ServiceNow. Is it possible
No,
to
no, no.
copy paste?
ServiceNow का different फिर है. I
Okay.
mean, we will use only these things. That's it. I mean, if loop you are having, you have written the if loop like this.
Okay. Okay.
The same way you will write if condition like that only in
Hmm.
ServiceNow. Only conditions, statements, those things we will use, not much. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Hmm. So I have forgotten one small thing to say you. Why I am not copy pasting is because you will copy paste from that particular thing. So that's the reason I was trying to take the picture and save it so that at least you will copy it. Okay.
Hmm.
Try to write it with your own hands. Okay. Don't try to just copy paste or do something. Okay.
Hmm.
Function with arguments वो नकलो छोड़ो अभी वो बोले तो फिर अगर ठीक है चलो आई एम डन फॉर द डे. While loop कैसा भाई? How to write the while loop? Whoever know how the while loop works? So what is the difference between the while and the if? How to write the if loop, right? If C value equal to 30, then wait, right now I'm trying to do this. So what will happen, ma? If I save it, what will happen?
It will show I am in if loop.
And it is stopping, na?
Yes,
If
bro.
loop होने के बाद what happened? It is stopping, no?
Yes, bro.
Right. So in the same way, while loop, right? Now let us try to click on save. Try to run it. So what happened? Is it stopping?
No.
No. No. No.
Is it stopping, ma?
No.
It is a never-ending story. While loop is
Hmm.
a
Never
never-ending
ending.
story. That's the reason if you love someone else, it should be like a while loop. It should not stop. So, if I want to stop this, then what we need to do? We need to have a breakup. So that's it. While loop को start करने के बाद क्या यूज करना?
Break up.
Break. That's it.
Break.
No break. If को stop करने की जरूरत है?
No. No.
No. If condition is accepted, then it will stop automatically.
Stop.
If
Yes.
loop. For break, we don't have the stopping, na?
For
That's the
while.
reason we will use
Break.
break. That's it. Now it break it, see. Okay? That's it, right? Not, I'm done for the day. Thank you so much for your time. And happy
Okay.
festival, happy Ugadi, and happy Eid Mubarak.
Thank
This
you.
year
Thank you.
brings us a good success. with good packages, and our life should change. And
Sure, sure. Hope for the best.
yeah, hope for the best. And everyone are settling in our life this time, this year, for all those things. This our get a bright future ahead. Okay. Chalo then. Thank you so much for your valuable time. It's great interacting with you all guys. I hope you guys should again practice all these things. Okay. Done. Ma. Thank you so much for your time.
Okay.
Yeah, for sure, bro.
Yeah. I mean, attack up.
Thank you.
Brand,
Yeah.
ईद के नेक्स्ट डे कब है क्लास?
इतना सेम
टाइम चेंज होगा क्या?
उस दिन बोलेंगे लो उस दिन भी 7-6 बजे से करके
क्या बोले?
उस दिन से बोलेंगे कुछ चेंज करेंगे क्या नहीं तो सेम बीच रखेंगे
ओके.
फजर के
So
नमाज
Tuesday,
होते
same
होते मैं
time.
सोच रहा हूँ सेम टाइम रहता फजर के नमाज होता ना हो ठीक है लेट अस डिसाइड ऑन दैट डे only everyone are
Okay.
there na we can decide on that day okay so basically
Oh,
in the past in our past as well our grandmother grandfathers everyone they will wake up early in the morning so if you want to have a good success in life uh, most probably everyone will say like you should wake early in the morning you should sleep early night and you should wake early in the morning let us see how it goes okay thank you so much ma bye Ren.
okay. Thank you. Bye.
That first we will correct okay
Okay.
one second I will take the attendance just a minute I will take the attendance so that everyone will understand how many join Amjad
Yes, ma'am.
Aujanya
Yes, bro.
चलो दीप्ति एकता फयाज हफीज
Yes.
हफीज इम्तियाज सुधीर श्रीकांत नरेंद्र
Oh, I mean, Sudhir, bro.
अरे इम्तियाज ఏడు బ్రో
ఇంతియాజ్ పడుకున్నట్టు బ్రో లేవలేడు
ప్రకాష్
Yes, bro.
One second, it is totally loading. No. Prakash,
Yes,
Praful,
bro.
Yes, bro.
Rakesh, Abhilash, Ram, Satvika, Shivaram, Srinivas.
Bro,
It has taken
Satvika is present. We kept it.
Sridhar, Karnalata, Teja, Tino, I think I guess. Nisar, Shahrukh, Asif, Leela.
Nisar present, bro.
Oh, sorry.
Asif Sidra present.
Anil Teja, Ram Narayana,
Yeah, present, bro.
Salim, Samir, Abdullah, Shekhar,
అబ్దుల్లా ప్రజెంట్
Abdullah came.
అబ్దుల్లా ప్రజెంట్
ठीक है भाई Give a serious warning now. Leave in the sense he has taken the permission.
स्क्रिप्टिंग के लिए 2 क्लासेस काफी है ना?
अब खाली 2 क्लासेस, ये खाली तुम्हारे बेसिक्स बोले ऐसा, जस्ट वो रहे तो तुम्हें कल के दिन उसको काबिल बनते।
ओके।
ये खाली बेसिक्स सिखाया, मैं कुछ भी नहीं है, अब कुछ भी शुरू नहीं हुआ।
अच्छा अच्छा।
ओके, ये खाली एक क्या बोलते हैं उसको, एलिजिबिलिटी बोलते देखे ऐसा।
ये थोड़ा थोड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड दिखा रहा है थोड़ा।
ये कॉम्प्लिकेटेड होगा
मेरे
तो
को
क्या
प्रैक्टिस करो तो आ जाता है।
प्रैक्टिस करो नहीं तो मैं भाई तुम
मैं मतलब
हम लोगों को
प्रैक्टिस करो तो
प्रैक्टिस
आ
कराओ
जाता
बोलो तो मैं करा दो। प्रैक्टिस करने के बाद से शुरू जाना, सामने जाना
है।
अपन। प्रैक्टिस नहीं करे ऐसा सामने गए बोले तो होता इसका।
एग्जैक्ट।
अभी तो दिमाग खराब होता नहीं आए
कितने
तो।
दिन लगता इमरान
हम्म?
स्क्रिप्टिंग पूरा?
मैं बोलना समझो तो बहुत दिन बोलता हूँ, मगर जितना जरूरत है उतना ही बोल रहा हूँ मैं। अभी एक 5-6 डेज समझो, सिंपल
ओके।
रहता माँ, इससे ज्यादा सिंपल था तुम्हारे तो लाइफ में तो ओनली अपन थोड़ा बहुत स्ट्रगल करना पड़ता अपने वास्ते, नहीं तो भी अपने अम्मा बाबा के वास्ते तो भी करना पड़ता माँ। एक बार नहीं तो एक बार तो भी अपना लाइफ बताना पड़ता। अपन क्या है, मतलब सी नॉन टेक्निकल में तुम्हें 100 कमाओ, सिर में दर्द होता हो। ये क्या है, थोड़ा कुछ स्मार्ट बोला है सर, इफ यू आर नॉन टेक्निकल it is very tough. Comparing to software, non-technical is only the tough job, as per my understanding. I have also done non-technical things now. It is very tough while comparing to software. Software is very simple. The only thing is like you need to give
लॉजिक।
some more time, some more time. Logic, it will come later. Okay, if you are having a minimum skills, more than enough. ये छोटा मोटा इफ लूप फॉर लूप लिखना तो भी आना दो मिनिमम। If you are don't want to do hard work with the sake of your parents or with the sake of your kids, not for you. You are not living for you now. The age is finished. It's almost 28 to 30 we are in. Almost someone else are around 35 as well. So we are not living for our sake. No, we are living for our parents' sake. Take like that. Okay. You have to give good life to your parents, and at least now you have to give a good life to your parents and kids. Keep in mind your parents as well as your kids. Okay, then only this will come into picture. The next years you need to live a very happy and property, what we can say, you need to live in a good position, not for your sake, for your parents. Your parents has struggled a lot for you. Your children are there, everyone are there. It's now your wish, bro. Okay, just practice very well. Okay, if you are not practicing, then waste of time. Just remember your parents. That is more than enough. Okay, what your parents did, at least you need to give some more very good life. Okay, bye. Thank you so much for your valuable time.
Bye.
Bye bye.